Hey folks, today's coding interview for DevOps and SRE roles has to do with Golang. As I mentioned in the previous video, as a DevOps engineer or SRE, you're expected to have some background in software engineering. Of course, if you're applying for a junior role, it's not so much, or it's not so intense. But if you're applying for a senior role, then you are required to have a full-fledged background in software engineering. So when you're preparing for an interview, especially for a coding interview for these roles, and depending on how junior or senior it is, you just got to know at least some level of software engineering. So, and Golang being the most popular language these days, especially in startups, if you're going to pick one, might as well pick Golang. You don't have to, but you can Golang, picking Golang will give you more opportunities. Anyway, so today's question is, how do you turn your code or your repo or whatever into a module so other people can use it? And then in your module, make it require 1.22. Doesn't that version is just arbitrary? I happen to use 1.22 right now, so I chose that. And then in your code, require some other library or code. In my case, I'm going to use something very popular that people use called Mux as part of the Gorilla repo. So I'm going to try and use that. I actually haven't done this yet, so I might struggle a little bit. So let's get started. So first of all, let's get, I'm on my local Mac here. Let's go into my repos on Golang. And this is my repo that I use to do stuff Golang practice for myself. And this happens to live here publicly in GitHub. So I will need this URL to do the first step. So again, I haven't done this. Hopefully it will work. Go.mod init dat. And doesn't like that. Okay, so I think it wants this. Go mod unknown command. Okay, go, let's get the help. Go help. It tries to help you, which is good. Go mod, edit graph init. Okay, so what if we did that? Go mod module path. Okay, I thought that's what I tried to do. Let's see. Go mod init path. That's the path. Go mod unknown command. Oh, because I did not put init in there. That is not very smart of me. Go mod init. Creating that. Add module requirement, add sums, go mod tidy. We'll do that later. But now if I look at this file structure here, you will see that this file that didn't exist before now exists. So at least now this is a module, which it wasn't before. People could now actually refer to this module if they want to use my code. Okay, and it actually it's smart enough to figure out what version to use. That's cool. So all I have to do now is add the last bit, which is to require the other module to finish this lab. So let's go back to what I need to do is look up. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do go. Let's get the help instead of cheating online or Googling it. How about we do go help mod get, because that's the command that we need to use to pull in other libraries into your module. Unknown help topic. Go help mod. Go mod. Let's see. Go. Let's try this. Go. Like I said, I haven't done this before, so I'm struggling a little bit, but we'll learn together. Go mod. Oh, I think go get is what it is. Go help, not mod. Go help get. That's what it is. Yep, at least it likes that. Oh, it gives you example. It's awesome. So all I need to know now is to know the path for the particular module I was talking about. So, and I believe it's talking about go install. I don't know what go install. The original go get was used to build with install packages. Oh, okay. So we have to do go get and go installs. Okay, so go get. Here's an example. So we will copy that. We will go start with that. So let's say go get. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I don't remember. Go require. Oh, there we go. So we can do. This is the ultimate thing. So but I don't want to just edit the file. I want. There you go. That's the path. That's the path. So go get minus u github.com gorilla mux. So let's try that. Go get minus u gorilla gorilla. No, github.com then gorilla. Okay. Get, as you can see, we're learning together. github.com/gorilla. That's the username. Like in my case, it's mamoon001. Gorilla. And the mux is the repo. Hopefully that works. Okay. Let's see if that changed anything in our file. Go get go.mod. Okay. It did that. That's awesome. It added this line. Now, it was talking about go install, which is a separate step. So let's get help on that. What was the command for getting help? Go help. Okay. Go help install. See, go help. Information is done. I don't know if this will work. Let's give it a shot. Go install build flags. Go install build flags packages. Okay, what if I do go install mux? Go install mux. Not found. Okay, let's see. This I'm going to Google because I don't know how to do this. Example, go get mux. Let's see. Powerful. Yep, we know about that. Let's see if this guy. Oh, maybe it'll be in the README on how to do this. Okay, this is the repo we're trying to use. See the go get. Yep, we did that. I didn't even know this existed, so that's cool. So at least we got that figured out. Examples of how to use this. I figured out. So it doesn't talk about install, so maybe I don't need that. So I think we don't need the install. So all we need to do is go require register anything else I would install here. Also detail help. Import. So when we actually use the package, we're not going to use it. We're just going to set it up. So that's still nothing but install. That's a big README. For example, okay. So last thing we need to do is go mod tidy. I believe that's what does the rest of it. Finding module, fine. Downloading up, it got. Oh, this is wonderful. So it looked into the requirements that Mux has, and it downloaded a few things that it requires. So these are called indirect dependencies. So my code depends directly on Mux, but then Mux depends on other dependencies, and it got that. So I don't think that will change our mod file, but let's confirm that. Yeah. Oh, it does. Interestingly, it removed the other requirement that I was trying to do. Oh, I think because I haven't used Mux code in my code, so it's smart enough to figure out that I don't even need Go Mux. I only need this particular Go OpenAI. That's pretty smart. Anyway, so to summarize, what we did here is we initialized our module to our code to be a module, it automatically added the version that I was using, 1.225. Then we got the Gorilla Mux module, but then when we tried to do a go.mod tidy, it realized that we're not even using that. We're only using the OpenAI. OpenAI, and it got that. So it modified. It's very smart. It modified our Go module file depending on what we're actually doing. So okay, so hopefully this was useful to you. So again, to summarize, this lab was about setting your code to be a module, and then as part of that, requiring other module in your module. So hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video.